Hello all, welcome to another video. As usual, before we begin, this is our Windows 11 with Windows Defender on, and we can see that it is working on our desktop folder. Alright, in today's video, we will walk through this publicly available library written in Golang, known as Acheron, and demonstrate a Windows Defender bypass on a Windows 11 computer. Echaron provides a very convenient way of implementing indirect syscalls into your Golang programs, and we will be showing in this video how you can use this library. There is also an example given in the inject folder. We will be referencing the code here and build our own main.go example from it. Let's initialize a new project with go mod init. Let's install the Acheron library. Now we can create our own main.go file.
Hello everyone, just a disclaimer before the video. This video is presented solely for educational and knowledge sharing purposes. All demonstrations are conducted in a legal, isolated lab environment on systems I own or have explicit authorization to test. The channel does not condone illegal activities. Misuse of the tools or techniques demonstrated may violate applicable laws and organizational policies, and viewers are responsible for ensuring their own actions comply with all legal and ethical requirements.
As shown in the example here, this is where you define your shellcode in hex format. Let's hop over to the common.go file and copy the defined variables to our main.go file. Now let's hop over to the indirect.go file. This file contains the actual shellcode injection examples using the Acheron syscall function. Let's copy all of the necessary Win32 APIs over to our main.go file. We also need the Windows library to be imported. Let's remove the shellcode and input our own meterpreter reverse shell in hex format. Let's copy and paste it over to the scbuff variable. This is gonna take a while as our meterpreter payload is stageless. Once that is done, let's not forget to set up a meterpreter listener for the incoming reverse shell. Let's cross-compile this to produce a Windows exe with the following go build command. Nice. Now let's hop over to our Windows 11 and give it a shot. We were able to transfer it successfully with no Windows Defender alert. Let's give it a manual scan. Great, no detection at all. Time for execution. Awesome! We were able to get a meterpreter reverse shell on our Kali, successfully bypassing the latest Windows Defender on a Windows 11 machine. We can see that the reverse shell is functional as well. Let's give it a quick scan while the C2 connection is established. We can even do a screenshot with meterpreter. Nice. The quick scan didn't pick up the meterpreter shell as well. This is great. Alright all, this is it to today's video. A quick and straightforward, no BS demonstration on how you can quickly build your own Golang shellcode loader with the Acheron library, bypassing Windows Defender. All credits belong to the author of the tool, and the link to the GitHub repo will be provided in the video's description. Please help to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will really help out the channel a lot. Thanks all, I appreciate it, and I will see you all soon in the next one. Bye.